Ford is winning tons of awards with the all-new 2022 Maverick. It comes in a standard hybrid powertrain, but it also has an optional 2-liter turbocharged motor with more towing capacity and more power. So today we're going to take them both out and test what sort of highway fuel economy you can expect to see in the real world with both the base hybrid Maverick and the 2-liter turbo with 4K tow package and FX4. Now we are shooting 2 different videos today. We've got Christopher here. He's going to be piloting one truck. I'm going to pilot the other. And we're going to go out and follow our standard highway fuel economy test protocol with both trucks. So if you're watching the 2-liter turbo and you want to see the hybrid, click the link in the description and vice versa. But this is our personal 2022 Ford Maverick. It's an XLT. It's rocking the FX4 off-road package, 4K tow, meaning we've got Pirelli ATR, the Pirelli Scorpion ATR tires. These are 225 65 R17s, and that 2-liter turbocharged engine making about 250 horsepower. And then the hybrid model over here is also an XLT, but because it's the front-wheel drive hybrid, that's all-wheel drive. This one's no 4K tow package because you can't get that with the hybrid, and no FX4. Rocking Continental Pro Contact TXs, 225 65 R17. I thought maybe those tires were a little bit larger, but I guess I was mistaken. So we're going to head over to the gas station, and we're going to go out and do 50 miles out and 50 miles back, averaging 70 miles per hour to get a realistic number. A few things to note for today. Outside temperature, we'll have to check in the trucks. I think it's about 40 degrees Fahrenheit.
I don't need a coat. So.
Right, exactly. That's a good indicator. Hat but no coat. That's the temperature that it is outside.
Exactly, yeah.
We have set both trucks' tire pressures to their door placard 35 psi cold. That's after both trucks were sitting for over an hour. And we're going to be running the climate control at 73 degrees auto in both trucks. Both engines have been warmed up, so we're going to get on into the trucks, head over to the Shell gas station, fill up, and head out on our test. If you want to see anything else on the Mavericks, we're shooting a ton of videos. We're going to have comparisons between both of these trucks regarding the powertrains, regarding the FX4 package. We've got a lot of content on our truck, our personal one, as well as a few others. We've got sound system tests and other observational videos. In fact, we had a towing video just go up today, kind of first time towing with our truck. So if you want to see any of those, I'll put the links in the description. All right, ready?
Ready.
Cool. 3.620 gallons going in for our first fill. Before we start the engine, we're going to reset our GPS and our car's trip computer. And we're ready to begin. No sound when you start it up because it just goes into hybrid mode. A few different drive modes here in the Maverick Hybrid. You've got normal, we got normal, tow haul, slippery, eco, and sport. We're going to do this test in eco. We're going to drive nice and easy over to the highway. It's about half a mile away, and pick up the test from there. The goal of this test isn't to hypermile. We're not trying to get the best possible fuel economy for these trucks, but rather a realistic number. So in order to do that, we're going to get up to highway speed here at a reasonably safe pace and set our cruise control at a GPS indicated 72 miles per hour. That should allow us to average 70 over the whole test. In eco mode, you do have to push into the accelerator a little more than usual. I don't think this box truck is going to get up to speed very quickly though, and that Jeep isn't getting around to doing anything, so we're just going to get up to speed. I do appreciate how smooth this powertrain is. In general, CVTs have some downsides, but definitely one of the upsides is just how nice and linear this power is. Alright, looks like the speedometer is about 1 mile per hour high, so 73 on the dash is giving us 72 on the GPS. No adaptive cruise here in the XLT Maverick, but we do have a rudimentary active lane keeping feature, so that's going to kind of just help nudge us back into the lane if we get distracted. You do hear some road noise from other cars, but engine noise is pretty minimal, and wind noise isn't too bad either. The Lariat gets some double laminated glass, some more kind of sound resistant, but really not too bad in here. So we're going to continue on with the test and catch up with you at the end, and the meantime, enjoy this time lapse of the entire trip.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, getting ready to wrap this highway portion up now of the fuel economy test. Our exit is in just a couple of miles. Overall, highway impressions on this Maverick. Well, to be honest, for the price point, it's a very nice place to be. Smooth ride, the seats are very comfortable. You've got a little bit of road noise, but you've got to expect that with a car so cheap like this one. But I think for what it is, it has well exceeded my expectations. And it's just been a really nice, comfortable ride for the past hour and a half. So I'm looking forward to seeing what this car has accomplished on the fuel economy test. All right, and 3.1 gallons into the hybrid Maverick. Let's hop on in and get a refresher of our trip.
We had a few audio popping weirdness issues when Chris was recording this bit, so we're just going to do a little bit of voiceover. We actually did 102.2 miles according to the GPS. 102.2 divided by the 3.1 gallons has given us 33 miles per gallon here in the hybrid Maverick. So right on EPA. Take that 33 miles per gallon, times it by the fuel tank in the hybrid, 13.8 gallons, giving you an effective highway cruising range of 450 miles here on the highway at 70 miles per hour in the hybrid Maverick.
Overall, a really nice package here with this Maverick. Both engines, both trims, and I'm looking forward to shooting a lot more content on this thing because I just really like it. I like the vibes in here, and I really think Ford has something special on their hands. So thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you very soon in the next video. This has been Christopher Brower with Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.